Hi everyone. So I built this automation for one of the Fiverr's top sellers, and it's now saving him around $10,000 a month in admin time and missed opportunities. Before this, his team had to manually check his Fiverr emails and update Notion and constantly refresh their inbox just to see new buyers' messages. Now, everything runs here automatically: orders, due dates, and even buyer's conversation, all syncing in real time to Notion and Slack. So as you can see, everything starts here. The webhook catches the details, the details from the Fiverr emails in real time. And then, as you can notice, I built separate branches for different types of emails: new orders, miss due soon reminders, miss deadline, and inbox messages from the buyers. I'll show you guys. Here's the different branches. And then let's go to the branch where when you receive an order from. As you can see here, it extracts buyer's name, gig title, order ID, and URL, and even buyer request or requirements. And I also adjust the due date 1 day earlier before the deadline, so your team is always one step ahead. And then we go to the three branches. So these three branches are: your order has been accepted and you miss your delivery due for, and your order is due in less than 12 hours. So this notification will go instantly to your comment box in the page Notion. So you will be notified that there's a warning already. And then the last branches will be the buyer's message from you, you receive messages from, and then you got a new messages from. And then as you can see, we have the Slack here. So the purpose of the Slack is to notify your team instantly that this buyer message you, so you can follow up instantly, most especially if it's an urgent. And then uh, I will show you later how it will look like in our Slack. So let's see. So this is the example email of our Fiverr orders. So this email will trigger the flow. And then I'll show you the notification, the Notion base. So this, as you can see here, there's the buyer's name. Everything is here. Even the status, as you can see, the status, this one. And then also you can see that there's already a comment like what we have in our automation. We have the notification that it's the warning notification like this, and it will look like this in our Slack. You can see here the name of the buyer and even what the message is, and you can just open this link so it will directly send you to the inbox directly. So now everything runs autopilot in your Fiverr. Wait, let me show you. So orders, deadlines, and buyer communication, no more manual updates. And the system alone save every 5 to 7 hours every week and recover over $10,000 a month worth of missed or delayed responses. If you're a business owner or freelancer who lives inside Fiverr, Shopify, or Inbox, this is what automation looks like.